Let's take a look at the beginning absence balance manage screen. This screen is available only for administrators. Here we can see all the different accounts, all the accounts that are currently set up with this billable entity. You can have, these are the different absence types: sick leave, personal leave, shore leave. Those are the different absence types that have beginning balances. You can have as many absence types as you want, and not all of them necessarily need to have beginning balances. Like bereavement isn't in this list. So it's pretty self-explanatory. You would just enter in how many sick leave they have, how many different personal days, etc. Here you can see the workflow and the account type. The account type is used primarily for just sorting this list here. So if you want, like, all your administration have, exactly, let's say everybody in administration gets 40 sick leave, you can quickly go through and make that adjustment. When you're done making your adjustment, go ahead and click Save Changes. Here you can see, the account type and the workflow. If you want to change your workflow, you can do it from this screen. Click on the account type, and here you can set your account type. And then there's only one person in this workflow, but if you want, you can drag those over, and then the order of who needs to approve their requests first, from top to bottom. One thing to note is when you change their workflow from that screen, it will not update the workflow. Currently, it will not update the workflow on the screen here. The reason we had it set up that way is because if you were making changes to the data here, and then you change the workflow and then it refresh the page, you could potentially lose your data that you are updating here. So just keep that in mind.